what certs do you have, Bruce? I've got the CISSP. I've got the CAP, ISC2 CAP. I used to have the CCNA. CCNA has since evolved and changed. A Cisco Certified Network Associate. That's what this one is right here. It's evolved. It's broken into parts. It's way harder now. I went back to try to take it and failed it many years ago. I had a Network Plus. I had a bunch of CompTIA ones because I was teaching that at one time. I love CompTIA certifications because they do a really good job of breaking down what you need to know, like the common body of knowledge. They're really good at that. I like these certifications. They're really good for entry-level type positions. And when you're first getting in, they're really good. And some of them are kind of hard, actually. CASP is pretty hard from what I've heard. I've never taken that one. Security Plus is not the easiest. A Plus is actually pretty hard. That was the first certification I ever took, so it was really hard at the time. These are not easy certifications. I mean, I'm sure Network Plus wasn't hard at all. I mean, that was actually pretty easy, but that was after I took the CCNA. I've got Security Plus. I took 2 different versions of Security Plus. I took the Network Plus many years ago before it expired. I got the A Plus certification before they broke it into parts. I used to take certifications because I would teach certifications. I got ArcSight certification. The only ones that I really use on a regular basis is CISSP and the CAP, ISC2 CAP, which is it's basically based off of the NIST 837 and FIPS. Those are the ones I use. I've got a ton of certs, but the ones I use on a regular basis, those are the ones, you know. The ones I've been wanting to get, I've been flirting with, is probably the ISACA ones, the CISA, the CRISC, and the CEH. Those are the ones I've been thinking about getting. But remember, it's not about certifications, right? One thing I learned is it's really about experience. It's a good way to level up money-wise.